Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to breed betta fish. But some people think that it is very difficult to breed them, but in short it is too easy. Now I have taken a small tank which I'm gonna place in the big one because the heater cannot fit in here. But for now I have to shift all the angelfish to the upper tank. Now it's time for heaters. By attaching the two suction clips, I'm gonna place this heater in the big tank. And the temperature I'm keeping is 26 degrees Celsius. And here is the Indian almond leaf water which contains antibacterials in it, which helps in the process of betta fish breeding. Now I'm going to strain the water with the strainer to avoid hard particles. And then place small tank in the big one. Also adding two more suction clips to the tank because the tank may turn upside down. And this thing for more safety. And now I'm going to add methylene blue, which is an antifungal medicine. After mixing, if you add guppy grass and a piece of almond leaf, your tank is fully set up. Now I will show you my male betta and female betta fish. Both are natural beauties. Here is the old water in which the larvae are spawned by the mosquito. Yes, you're thinking it right. I'm gonna feed this mosquito larva to the betta fish because they are protein rich. In the breeding process, male or female betta fish never eat their food and also never try to feed them. Especially after the spawn of egg, female betta fish will be removed out. At that time you can feed her, but male shouldn't be feeded. When the eggs will be hatched and the babies will be free swimming, at that time you should remove the male and then feed him. The egg hatching process may take up to 7 days. You should leave them both alone, they will do their work. And for your kind information, you should keep them prepared for the breeding process. First you should take two separate tanks and place the betta fish in two tanks. The tanks should be transparent, by which they both can see each other. Male starts to attract the female. This process will go until the female betta fish tummy is full with eggs. But as you can see, she is having a tumor on her left side. But no need to worry. In this certain period, you should feed them live food with high protein concentration. And when you leave both in the single tank for breeding, the male starts attracting the female by flaring its fins and making some dance patterns. After 4 days from the setup, they both start wrapping each other to lay the eggs, and male and female will start to collect the eggs from the bottom and place it into the bubble nest. Bubble nest is made up of male saliva and oxygen, you may say as air. In some cases, the female betta fish eat their own eggs, but male tries his best to protect the eggs from female. But in my case, the female was also helping the male to place the eggs in his bubble nest. But what I saw is the male was getting little bit aggressive towards the female. So I decided to remove the female from the tank for the big step back, or the eggs had been gone if I had not decided. Whenever the eggs were falling down from the bubble nest, the male was collecting them from the bottom and again placing them in his nest. He's going to be a good father, I think. And here it was. If you have enjoyed the video, then please like to my video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, comment below. See you in another video. Bye bye.